is buy, and their 12-month stock price forecast is $599, which is an increase of 30.58% from the latest price. So this people are being are told by analysts that buy. You have that strong buy indicator. Some analysts are just saying buy. Strong buy has around um, just slightly over 5. Buy has got 10. And also hold stock just means do not buy or sell. Just hold on to the stock. And then sell has recorded the least. So you're not going to have a lot of people selling. You're going to have a lot of people buying. Okay. Uh, so these people are going to be what? Okay, so this evidence supports buying. Okay, so someone will come if you have stock, then definitely you want to sell you want to sell your Adobe stocks. Then you can sell. Okay, because there is no strong support for selling, but there is strong support for buying. Okay, and strong buy as well. Wells Fargo Bank raised Adobe's target price to $675 from $675 to $700 and maintained an overweight rating. JP Morgan, so these are the analysts, Chase has raised Adobe's rating from neutral to overweight. Okay, means that it's ripe, with the target price raised from $570 to $580. CITI Group has also raised the company's target price from 529 to 550. CITI Group pointed out in its report that Adobe's second quarter performance may be the strongest in the software industry during that quarter, with the company's performance continuing to be driven by Document Cloud, but its Creative Cloud performance remains sluggish. Again, they got to improve on their Creative Cloud. So they're getting most of their revenue and performance and their stock valuation from Document Cloud. CITI Group expects Adobe stock price to continue to have good upward momentum and begin to recover from a year to date losing streak. However, CITI also pointed out that quarterly performance will not change the bank's expectations of Adobe as the momentum of Creative Cloud remains lukewarm. So lukewarm, sluggish, Creative Cloud in the rapidly developing competitive landscape. So the landscape is big and competitive. I'm sure there are other players whose Creative Cloud is outperforming Adobe's. Okay, but Adobe seems to be there more stronger when it